This is the second day of training to become a freestyle wrestler. I'm a former pro wrestler at FPW. Enjoy ko yung training ko last time. Thank you so much, Coach Albert, legend, Coach Christoph. So let's go. Shoutout sa mga magpa-participate sa Matira Matibay Show this May 17, Sunday, Bake Studios, Yacal Street, Makati City. Good luck to all. May you all have a great show. I love you all. Sigma. Post-training full body heat massage. So in a surprising turn of events, after a lot of things happened to me the past few months, looks like I am unretiring. Pro wrestling is my home. This is where I belong. So I'm going to come back sa FPW Matira Matibay. Thank you to FPW management for giving me this opportunity.
Parang hindi nakakapag. I mean, it is.
He is the leader of Sigma! Sigma! Champions,
We're back! We're back, baby! Hyper
Hyper yan.
Happy ako eh.